Morning, everybody. I got a little present from Amazon Prime. Like I said I was going to. Let's see. It is a full definition video recorder for your vehicle. And if you're having issues like me, getting chased by God knows who and everyone else and trying to run you off the road and helicopters and shit, this would probably be your best bet. It is a $40 camera. Innocenpo. It's not Chinese, thank God. So it's actually something really good. It comes with a car charger. Plugs into this. And it mounts to your glass. Turn this on. It comes with an SD card as well. So you can keep everything on here. It's got a motion sensor on it. It's got infrared for night time issues. Let's turn this on. Let's try and fire it up. Anyway, I have to plug this into my car. But your SD chip card will go in the side here. And then you record. So if you're having any issues like I am, you can start with that. Cameras on your house or whatever. But I would suggest to get this. It's cheap, reliable, durable for all the proof that you need to have to get. So people ain't gonna think you're crazy. You can actually get more proof. Like I got all kinds of recording devices and monitoring apps and all kinds of stuff like that. And I got some home security yesterday. Some real good one. I can tell you about that. But I wouldn't suggest you come around here bothering me anymore because you're gonna get really, really severely hurt and I'm gonna record it at the same time. So while you out there ETIs everybody, I suggest you look into this, get that. I got it in one day. They overnighted it. It didn't cost me anything. So yeah, have fun with that. So while you guys wanna, if you try to pursue me again, I'll make the proof of it. Get more. So that's all I got for today.